All right, back live and direct, baby. Let's go. All right. Focusing on gold. Oops. Guess we can move it out the way right now. Right now, it's giving a little push on the 1 hour. First 5 minutes. So the 1 hour high is here. So it broke to the upside. I'm set alert here for now because I'm looking at NQ. NQ is breaking structure on the 15. We are here. Price break a lower, lower, lower high if selling. So NQ looking like it want to turn around. So NQ makes that lower low and lower high. It's definitely going in the direction of the 4 hour time frame. Gold to get up to gold got up to 48.87. Shoot. Gold. I want to see if this just wicks up and then comes down. So we're looking for price to break this support again. And we're going to take it. It's down as farthest as we can. We'll target these lows. And if it shoots right through these lows, I'm going to target this low. We already know our it is a rainy day here in Atlanta, y'all. Rainy day. Seeing how it did that right away. These highs weren't. I didn't like what. I don't like that. Well, price keep going up. Give me the opportunity to get in nothing. Like, look at all this. I had no opportunity. Imagine catching, imagine hold. See, that's why sometimes I believe I got to start holding, but at the same time, I don't know. I like today money. I like today money. So we'll see if it's doing a swoop, liquidity sweep, come back down, or is it just gonna whoop, go up, come up, and keep going up? NQ, look like it gave a little sweep to the low side, respecting the support. This might continue up. Same thing here. If it breaks there, then we go back to looking for buys because on the daily, which I don't think it is, on the daily, it struggled to get past here. Struggle, and then it finally broke down. It took out this low here. So I'm still convinced that we're selling off because if you look at this high and this low, you see how it kind of just not even like it barely broke this high and it started wicking. Versus this low, it clearly broke it with a whole candle. But we'll see. Like I said, it's still doing the sideways action. Look at y'all. Look. Still sideways. But we're just trying to catch the early breakout. For real, for real. But go based on our 1 hour. It just filled in this gap. Man, I'm mad I missed this. This was the perfect setup. It just happened outside of noon. Happened outside of noon. Look, y'all, this is yesterday. The price made lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, equal low, lower high, lower low, and then it broke structure, right? So as soon as it gives you that indication, boom, wait for retracement and hop down on the 15, following the same rules. Prices, the price break make a clear indication on the 1 hour time frame. Yes. Yes, it did. Boom. Did price make a correction back to or near original indication? Yes, it did. Price came back. Did price make a breaker structure on the 15 or 5 minute time frame? 15, you couldn't see it, so you can drop down 5 minute. Here you start to see the transition. Made the higher low, higher high, equal low, equal high, higher low, equal high, higher low, and then boom. This candle right here could have definitely been a smooth entry. Change the color on that. Right back above the indication, boom. Could have caught that up. Oh, and 3 p.m. could have TP'd. All right, looks like it's continuing down on this one. I might have been wrong, y'all. I might have. four. Four is there. It's only 9:45, so 9:15. I mean 9:45 to 15 minute count about to close. For NQ. Go back to gold. Gold. Not doing what I thought it was gonna do. It is pushing, which is fine, but dang. I wanted to catch retracement because there's no man's land. There's no real target for real, for real. Some broke highs, y'all, and unless it breaks this low, might be another no trade. Still early, but it would have just been nice if it would have just said boom, created another lower high, and then boom. But the market's gonna do what it's gonna do. And there's no indication to even take a buy unless it breaks this and then comes back down. Comes back up, breaks that, comes back down, then go up. But I don't really see that happening. Just to be honest with you. I think it's testing this high. And the original indication was around here. So if we say it goes down, up, down, here. So hopefully this is just a wick, some wick action by 10 o'clock. And then we can start seeing price breakdown. I don't like that it created that high though. In Q, it's going down. It's going down, it's going down. For now. What's it, Thursday? So Friday. Monday we had the holiday. So no trade. Tuesday. Missed this one too because it happened. This one happened just outside of go to 1 hour. So Monday no trade. Coming into Tuesday, this happened. It retraced and then price start breaking down and went to this low. That was a potential setup, but it happened just at noon, past noon. You want to see that on a lower time frame? We got the indication on the 1 hour, the correction, and then boom, price start breaking down. We got a break. Lower high. Could have caught it right at the indication. And caught it to this low right here. So could have TP down here or held, and it would have went a little bit longer, but so Tuesday we missed. Then Wednesday, the break structure to the upside. Boom, boom. And just happened just outside of, so both of these just happened outside of noon. So we'll see, this was the last indication on the 1 hour for upward movement. One thing about NQ is sometimes it'll give you that lower high and lower low, but a lot of times I see when it breaks structure, it just keeps breaking. It just keeps going. But on NQ, I'm definitely looking for sales. So, like I said, that 4 hour broke. Correction on the 4 hour. Correction, especially if it doesn't break these highs. Now I'm looking for that 1 hour breaker structure to the downside. So the rate is this low. Looking for the indication, correction, and then continuation. If it's gonna go down. Go, still lingering around the same spot. The internet. So on the 15th, technically, this was the last lower high, lower low. The last lowest lower high, the last lowest lower low. That makes sense. And then here it's been going in between. Really been going in between those two highs and lows. Here and here. So if we get no, if it respects this high right here, and it breaks here, I definitely will be entering. Dang, first week with no trade so far. Phew. And we don't want to force it. Just because we haven't had a trade, we don't want to force it. We don't want to force it. I'm definitely looking for sales on NQ and gold. Well, look like it want to go up. 5 more minutes. We'll see how this 1 hour candle closes. Because if it does go above this, then you see this will be our indication, right? And this will be our higher low. But price is moving. Moving and grooving. This type of market is probably best for your scalpers. It has a lot of upward momentum. So I'm just trying to see on days where ain't nothing Tuesday. All right, 4 more minutes. Only got 4 minutes. What y'all think? What's it gonna do? Y'all think it's gonna come back down? It was just testing that high, or you think it's gonna continue higher? Think this was just a sweep? Fudge. Could this just be manipulation? Or is gold going to continue to go up? At some point, you gotta drop. At some point, gravity's gonna take over. And you got to get in my web. The 4 hour came down, so it could be breaking down, y'all. Boom, boom, breaking down. Because obviously this gap has to be filled eventually, right? This area right here look juicy too. So 1 more minute, and that 1 hour candle is, I wish it comes down a little further and just wicks, creates a big wick before heading down. That would be dope. That would be dope. That would be dope. Show me. $3.30. What's it gonna do, baby? What's it gonna do, baby? So if, in the case of buyers, we can look at it like this. Price comes down, continues up, but and yes, our 1 hour kind of just kept it equal right here. So I don't want to see a candle close up here. We want to see something close below here. Because right now it's just giving equals. Yes, it whipped up, but now it's just giving equals. But it could, because if we were definitely hitting the buying perspective, broke, traced, and but it didn't create that higher low. And son, create the higher high, but that could be the higher low. So we break. Don't enter on a candle close here on the 5 if it's bullish, and take it up to, I guess, these highs. But I don't like that this 1 hour lower high is right there, giving resistance. Right. This is a lower high, lower low. So it's resistance here until it breaks, if it breaks. Look at NAS, and it just took off. Just took off. But that's the direction I want to see Inky go anyways. I just needed to break 1 hour. And low, higher low. The breaks here, and then it breaks this 4-hour. All of those are good entries. Comes back below here because we know sellers are in control below this green line. Above it, buyers are in control. Just like here, buyers were in control. Buyers were in control. But below this, you enter on just below that. Or you can do like I do. I wait for the 1-hour break, some type of retracement, and then come on down. Come on down. So for the chasers, you can chase. I'm not worried about the chase. That's not what I want to do. Below original indication, y'all. So I might have to make a new rule because I seen this last week too, where it took out the highs and then broke the low and kept going. What day was that? What day was that? That was here. See this one on the 1-hour. And then this Friday. We're watching this breakdown. So it broke down, traced back up. And what did I do? Oh, yeah. We just left it there. Missed that because it happened before pre-market. And then came in here on this day. $15 minutes. We were waiting for this was the last low. That structure right created the low, then it did. It retraced 100% and went past that and then broke down. So this is kind of what I'm looking for today. Same thing there. It might give me that today. But the low, the break here is not as prominent as it was here. It gave you a clear break, clear indication, then retrace, then came back down. So here, not so much. I might not be able to get a trade till Friday. Thirsty. I'm gonna have to make some tea. We're gonna have to make some tea. Let me rinse out my cup. Hold on. Yeah. What it is beautiful. Step your T game up. Step your T game up. Step your T game up. I ain't gonna tell you no lie. Shout out to Dolo. Yeah, that 10 minutes. 10 minutes. What's she doing, y'all? Okay, see, see how it's not pushing. These bodies are staying in the same relative area. It looked like it want to kind of go, but it need to go. I don't mind if you break to the top, because then you give me more confirmation for a move possibly Friday. And then as far as news, we ain't got nothing to the PM, which is NZD. So I gotta get some more vitamin C. So if we're buying on NQ, we would have to see, we see as indication correction, we would have to see price start to break structure to the upside on a lower time frame. But my bias is still sell, so I'm not even gonna entertain that right now. Why is it still sell? Because it's just not convincing to me that the price is gonna go up, especially breaking lows on the 4 hour. We're breaking structure on the 4 hour, broke structure, failed to glide, broke structure, indication, retracement, one big retracement, and a lot of up movement. So it needs to come down. It need to come down. Since gold is being so stagnant right now, NQ not giving no love either. Let's look at Euro. Euro, go to 1 hour. 1 hour breaking down, indication. Same thing here. Really wasn't no. If you caught something on Monday, as far as Tuesday, wasn't nothing there really. Then you start seeing price break down for retracement here. Sweep, continue down. And now it's continuing up. So we're gonna keep an eye on that area. Price to break down, or is it gonna break it? Even if you use, oh, that's interesting. Okay, okay, there you go, make a move. Bust a move. Again, this high. And this low. Tells us what we need to know. If it fails to break this high and price starts breaking down, then we know it's gonna go for this low. Everything in between is hoopla. Our indication was downward, so we're looking for a sell. Now, if it breaks this 1 hour high, then tomorrow possibly can get a buy. And that goes with the for gold, the higher time frame, the 4 hour and the daily are bullish. So now we're just waiting for the market to show us its hand. What's your real hand here? Huh? It's really trying to do here. And days like this are good for discipline because we went through a whole week. It's Thursday and we still ain't got no great setup. We still don't have a clear setup. Now, if you're a scalper, this candle can do the same thing. So, really missed this one. And the crazy thing, I thought about taking it too. I was looking at it. I'm like, hold on. 1 o'clock. But I'm like, dang, it broke down. See, when I got yin and yang, I'm like, nah, I need to have one or the other. But that was a clean setup. Structure. Upside. You knew it was going in. It already tapped into the gap, so I should took that trade. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. Just not convinced that this is a breakout to the upside. Not convinced. Show me you want to go up. Go ahead and break this high. Dang, look like it's gonna be another no trade. Fudge. Try not to get caught up in the smaller time frames, y'all. We still got to respect the higher time frame. The 1 hour will keep you safe more times than none. Just like here. This could continue going up to this resistance area. Definitely get like a 1-2. Entry could be here, right above that indication area. There's two types of entries I like to do: structure based, and then there's the one that you can just enter when it crosses back over on the indication. This is good. You don't want it to go up. Because if my higher time frame bias is correct, we should be going down. 4 hour showing us we are going down, we're going down. We'll go doing. Okay, go. It might be showing us a little something, something. Let's see. And I've seen this before too. I've seen where this little blip is technically higher low. This will be a high, higher low. Boom. So if you're getting in on continuation on a smaller time frame based off of breaker structure, higher high, higher low, boom, enter. We gonna see what it's gonna do. I wanted to see it push up. That's what I want because that goes with the higher daily and the 4 hour. All right, so it wicked just past this area right here. Boy, go continue to fly, bro. Look at this. Look at this. crazy. You think it's gonna do that? That'd be wild. I mean, it did it. It actually did it already. Get that? All I'm doing is just this. Boom. Pull back. Boom. Around this area. That's crazy. So Monday bullish, Tuesday bullish, Wednesday bullish. So far, Thursday bullish. If today doesn't take out yesterday's high, then yeah, it might be time for a retracement. $10.30. All right. So if there's no breakdown in price on the lower time frames, then today's ideal is voided. Mm-mm, mm-mm. Right, and Q is I have to switch back to NQ. We starting to see structure. Break, higher low, equal high. Let's see if we're gonna target something. We will target. Already went there. So we will target here. This area. Just above that high. And the 1 to 2 is not too shabby. Not too shabby for a 1 to 2. Gold. Yeah, it's going up. Gold is going up. Dang. So in Q. Come on now, why is my thing frozen? What's going on, man? What's up with the internet, y'all? Oh, the internet. So in Q, we will do a 4-piece. 10:35. I think we're gonna go with NQ, y'all. While we got this 1 hour momentum, indication, correction, and then now we are breaking structure on the 5-minute. Why I look like this? What was I seeing? Was I seeing them wrong? Oh, was I on the 1 minute? I was on the 1 minute. Oh, snap. That was a 5-minute. I thought that was the 5-minute, y'all. I did not take the setup, though. Not yet. Price is breaking structure on the 1 minute. For sure. Go left us, y'all. Go said, see ya. We didn't wanna be ya. That's what I'm looking for. So took it out. So I'm really just waiting for it to cross back over. All right. Let's see what it do. See what it do. Let's see what it do. Let's see what it do. Oh shoot. Oh snap. Ought to be 1040. Gold took off. only. All right, we took this long, even though I didn't get the break instruction on the 5 because I thought it was a 5. For some reason, I hit 1. But, like I said, high, low, high. You don't want to target this area. See what it do, y'all. We are in longs on NQ. I wish gold. But what I'm thinking what happened with gold. Because if you look at the 2 hour, this is just 1. So I'm thinking this is gonna break. I'm thinking it's gonna break down Friday. Thinking this was a misread. This was just an indication. Retracement. I think it's going for a new indication. On the 1 hour, it's not as clear, but it's clear to me. Clear to me. Let's move this out the way. Turn this off. This is the higher low. So hopefully by today it gives an indication up. And then Friday we can see what it do. NQ, indication correction. We got my mistake by clicking on the 1 minute. But price came back above indication, so that is definitely an entry. Going with the 1 hour order flow, and we'll see if it goes up there. So now I'm going to delete this one, load, and then Q. We'll put, so what is above here? Here, here is 1 to 1.5, basically. And then 1 to 2 is here. TP there. So if it breaks this side, then we know it's going to go up a little further. So we'll just put this right here, crossing up. I never really even noticed that. And then we put upside. And we'll say that alert. All right, so again, above this line, you can see bars are in control until we get up to this area here where there was some selling power, right? There's selling power here. It stopped here. Same place it stopped, there's buying power there. Selling power under this, you can see here, under this line, selling power. Above it, buying power. We enter just above it with hopes that it goes a little further up. Five-minute looking sexy right now. That's noon. We entered on this candle right here, 10:35. Gold is going up. We'll see if it clears those highs. So now we broke that high. I'll call it a lower high. That's our indication for today. And so we will fill our trade log out. Yes. Yes. We'll put yes because I did it on the 1 minute versus the 5, so now I have to stick with it. High probability, yes. Trade log. Let's go ahead and fill that out right away. 1-22-26. Boom. We're in NQ. New York session. Got in on the buy. Continuation as always. We're gonna do fixed in 330. And we shall see. We shall see. Hopefully it gives us that pop. One more pop up. Oh, shoot. All right, starting to pull back. Hopefully it doesn't take us out that quick. My stop is actually here on my chart, so right at that low. Hopefully we just get like a quick higher low. Come on up. That 1 minute structure. Definitely want to see that hold. $10.51. Gold is flying, bro. Dang. That's all right. What Euro do? Still going up. After the breakdown. We hesitate on NQ. Around 11 o'clock, I gotta get off, but I will show y'all the results. Show you the results. Show you the results. Right now, I am negative. Oh, negative 30 right now. Good signs if it creates a high low. Good signs. Yes, on 5 minutes we got in exactly at the close of that candle. We can put entry here. Entry. Bam. Oh, and we can send this to the back. Now today, I honestly forced this trade a little bit because, and this is to show y'all I'm human, because we didn't have a trade all week long. So win, lose, or draws, we gonna show it like it is. I just want to see another. Let's see a higher low get created. I gotta hop off. Get ready for work. See what 500 is doing. I don't like that wick action right there. 500. It's looking the same. US 30. US 30 showing promises that it might go up. So it went up here. So, brother and sister looking cool. And Q. I like this big arrow. Let's move that. We'll do a trend line. I don't know, we'll just say this. All out entry. One more minute. We'll see what this next 5-minute candle do. Then I'm out. And then I'm out. 'Good. We can use a good push. I just don't make a new high. I totally forgot about my tea. What? Totally forgot about my tea, y'all. God dang. Dang. Still hot, though. Still hot, baby. All right, y'all. Looking like it's going against us right now. And let's like warm, lukewarm. Come on, I need you to be my higher low. Yesterday trade was the better trade, y'all. I'm trying to tell you. I might have to change my rules past noon. One more minute, I'm out, y'all. Results will be posted. I need you to come back above now. Don't be shy. Come back above. All right, y'all. This is it for now. This is the setup. This is the position. You see it now. When the results come, win, lose, or draw, we're going to show them. And again, my idea was going to break a structure here. Correction, continuation. Correction. Well, another break structure here. Indication. Correction. Continuation. Correction. Another break structure here. Correction. We want to see continuation up to this gray box area. Now where we're going to try to TP at. It could go against us though. But this is where we're at now at 11:05, and I will post the results later today. Peace, y'all.